Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to talk about a recent attack by the DOJ on crypto exchanges and whether or not we should be worried about Crypto.com being included in this, as lately we've seen a lot of news. I'm going to go over some of that news regarding some other crypto exchanges, what my thoughts are on the future of Crypto.com given this recent DOJ announcement that they're coming after crypto a little bit harder, which, by the way, isn't very surprising at this point. We've seen the government get pretty aggressive already. But we'll go through this and talk about kind of what I expect from all of this news breaking today. If you guys like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We are doing 5 videos every day for you. And at 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss out on that, guys. So here's the story, guys. The US DOJ vows to beef up scrutiny of crypto exchanges to curb illicit behavior. Now, I think that we've already kind of seen this messaging. So point number one, this is a dumb article. This is a dumb narrative. It's not surprising. I mean, look at all the things that we've seen. We'll get into some of that here in a second. But now you got to ask yourself, well, what exchanges are at risk? Is Crypto.com at risk? Is Crocoin going to have an issue because of this? Is Binance going to have an issue because of this? Well, let me say this first. You know all the FUD that's been going on with Binance, and you look at the Binance token. Well, how's the Binance token doing? It's pretty stable. It really hasn't gotten any issues. So even if Crypto.com was pulled into any of this, I don't think it would have much of an impact on the price of Crow. Anyway, you probably want to joke that it's a stable coin anyway, because it's been really consistently right at 6 to 8 cents as of late. But now, do I think that it will be included in the DOJ scopes of what they're coming after? Honestly, guys, no. Now, I think they're going to keep an eye on Crypto.com, but I don't think Crypto.com is going to run into any issues, and let me explain. First of all, lately, Crypto.com's been doing a couple great moves. One, they're staying ahead of the trend. Now, I don't recommend buying this token per se, but everybody's been talking about memes lately. I don't own Milady. I'm not going to buy Milady personally. Maybe I miss out. Maybe I don't. I'm not really sure. But Crypto.com recently listed this token. I just did a video earlier about Elon Musk. Well, Elon Musk also mentioned this token. So he's tweeted this out and taught like a photo of the NFTs. So, you know, and then he also tweeted a little bit about Pepe. I talked about that earlier. But Crypto.com listed both of these tokens. So they're staying ahead of the trend, which is great for user growth. But I'm not seeing anybody come after exchanges for listing any of these memes. So this isn't really an issue. You know, maybe you're not a supporter of some of these memes, but I don't think this is really an issue. So what are some of the threats? Well, look, Crypto.com's got 2.6 million followers right now on Twitter. And again, they're announcing all these different things that they're doing. They got partnerships like you wouldn't believe. They've got other things that they're starting to look at. LimeWire. It looks like LimeWire is, I don't know if this is LimeWire like the music service that we used to get. They're listing new tokens. So they're continuing to move forward. They're talking about BRC20, which is really great. I think they're on the forefront, wishing happy Mother's Day. And then really, if you look at their website too, you know, you'll see, first of all, they got 80 million users. They are a leader in regulatory compliance and security certifications. And now you might go, well, that's pretty good, but I don't know. Do I really believe that? Well, here you go. Go to the company, go to news, and let's just review some of the recent things that we've seen with this company and with some of the news surrounding it. You know what? This link, there it is. So here you go. Partnership with Samsung. Here you go. Preparatory license in Dubai. Talk about some other artists. You can kind of go down here and you could start to see some other information about other things. Crypto.com purchases technological carbon removals to advance sustainability efforts. That's an issue that governments are on the lookout for as well. So this is very, very interesting to see all the different partnerships. And if I kind of go through to see more stories, you'd see licenses in Brazil. You'd see the FIFA World Cup sponsorship partnership that happened recently. You'd see all these different things in France. Here we go. So do I think they're going to have an issue with the Department of Justice in the U.S.? No. But what's going on with some of these other exchanges? Well, Binance leaves Canada due to stricter crypto rules. Yeah, they're having an issue there. What do we know about Crypto.com? They've got regulatory approval, essentially, or the pre-approval for Canada, at least. Also, you saw the SEC sue Bittrex recently. I haven't seen any lawsuits against Crypto.com and any of this, and I don't have any reason to believe that they're going to be swooped into this DOJ lawsuit in any way. And then you also look at some of these other exchanges and know that they just don't have a chain like Cronos has for Crypto.com or like Binance Smart Chain has with Binance. Guys, the FUD is funny to me. I'm going to laugh all the way to the bank when the bull market comes. I've got my Crow coins. I will tell you guys how many Crow coins I have at some point, but I've got over 100,000 Crow coins. I'll tell you that. Somebody already pinned me down on that in a live stream the other day. So we'll get there, guys. But you know what? I hold these things for a reason, because Ethereum over time, though it's one of the biggest layer ones, is losing market share over time. Binance is taking some of that market share, and so are the other top 10 chains, Cronos being one of them. It's only 2 years old. I think that the regulatory approval that they have in a lot of these countries is spectacular, really setting themselves apart from the pack. And it's going to be very, very interesting to see what exchanges end up listing what tokens. And I'll give you one here, and we'll probably talk more about it. A lot of you guys have seen I've been talking about the Ben token lately. BitBoy Crypto has recently decided to take over this Ben token that this fellow on Twitter, Ben.eth, ended up launching. Got a little controversial there, but he's trying to make a whole crypto movement, BitBoy Crypto is, with this. Some people hate it. Some people love it. Controversy is publicity. Publicity usually brings attention, and attention is usually good, whether the news is good or bad. It'll be interesting to see what exchanges list the Ben token, because then you know that BitBoy Crypto will likely be talking about those exchanges. And for those of you guys using Crypto.com, I bet you, if you watch BitBoy Crypto, if you watch his Twitter at all, you see he does not talk about Crypto.com barely at all. He talks about his Crypto.com card sometimes, the metal Visa card, which is very, very cool. These Visa cards are really, really neat stuff, you know. But he talks a little bit about those sometimes, how reliable they are, but he never talks about Cronos Chain, never talks about the exchange. Something like this. Again, exchange listings for new tokens, popular tokens, especially a token from such a large crypto influencer. These things could really change a platform like Crypto.com or others that are first to the punch. But guys, I'm not worried about Crypto.com and regulation. I'm very excited for the future of crypto, of this bull run, Bitcoin, Ethereum, really a lot of different cryptocurrencies. There's a lot of tokens to love, a lot of tokens to make some money on in this next bull market, and a lot to be careful of, but we'll keep you guys up to date with all of it here at the Crypto Report. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember, folks, to DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.